Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's Carol Baskin. Just took a kitty cat ride around my kitty cat meow meow kitty cat lake.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Dogs are great. Dogs are great. Guess what? Dogs are great.
Reggie, don't eat him.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Is your cat kinda dumb? Does he think that plastic's gum? I think he chases ghosts, but who the hell knows? Every time I try to pet him, he thinks I'm gonna kill him. Is your cat kinda dumb?
Honey, we're done with the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, you can come out. There you go. See? The big bad vacuum cleaner is gone. Yeah. You don't need to be scared anymore. Are you happy we're done with the cleaning? Oh, you're so cute.
I don't know if this is all cats, but let me know. So, Richard looks like a normal, size cat. But then, when I shake him out, and he loosens up a little bit, look how long he is. He's like a foot long. Look how long he is!
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Excuse me, miss. Are you okay? Ma'am? Hello? Why you sleeping like that, ma'am? Hello? Toy? What are you doing?
What the fuck are you doing, man?
Alright, ready?
Eliza, I got you a Valentine's. Do you love it?
What the hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh, damn. Okay. Okay.
The broom, but then I got high. My room is still messed up, and I know why. Yeah.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple.
We're talking Teletubbies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Poe.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey yo, chubby cheeks check.
Dear Diary, my food dish is now only half full. It is obvious that I will soon starve to death. I have repeatedly tried to draw attention to my predicament with the authorities, but they are clearly either stupid, deaf, or just cruel.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums.
Where are you going? You want me to follow you? Come on, let's go. What is it, honey? You want to show me something? What's wrong? You want to show me your bed? Oh, wow. Yeah, I know. You have such a nice bed.
Guys, I woke up this morning and I look to my right and I see this. I look to my left and I see this. It's a cat sandwich. That's my left slice of bread. That's my right slice of bread. And I'm the deli meat.
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? You got a staring problem, pal?
Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby.
Look at his face. Dumb little face.
Stop.
Guys, I don't know what's wrong with my cat. Why does he look like that? What is wrong? Please help.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little floofster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
You gonna come save me? You gonna come save me? Can you do it? Oh no, you can't reach. Oh no. Can all the kitties in the club say meow?
My cat definitely doesn't understand where I go for most of the day, so she's become obsessed with the hallway because I think that she thinks that I just spend all my day out there having fun without her. Oh, honey.
Okay, so Nova Nurse is in this box. And sometimes, which is what I think happened just now, yeah, there's a little kitten under the bed. Because they get latched onto her. I'll grab it in a sec. And they don't unlatch when she gets out of the bed. So then they get left in the middle of the room. And she doesn't quite know how to pick them up yet. So she always comes to me and is like, help, like pick up my baby and put it back in the box. So last night that happened like every 2 seconds. And I can't believe there's a friggin' baby under the bed. So I woke up and I like obviously got the baby out from the middle of the room and I put it back and I did a little head count and I realized the orange one was missing and I freaked out because I couldn't find it, turned the light on, checked out here, blah, 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 and it was all the way down there beside that Christmas tree. I think Bodhi thought it was like a toy because it was squeaky and took it down there.
Oh, hi there, friends. It's me, Timmy. How you doing? Today, I'm gonna show you all the different places that I like to sleep, okay? Let's go. So, the first place that I like to sleep in is my basket. And because it's super comfy and it's huge, and my human, he gives me boops, and I'm give me more boops. Ah! Where are you going? Come back. Give me more. Give me more. More! Sometimes when my human is working, I pretend to be sleeping so I can erase all his files. This is my favorite part. I'm on my trash can. This is my favorite trash can. It's super tall, so when my human is cooking, I can steal his food. Okay, Timmy's tired, alright? I need to take a break. I need to snooze. I need to do my sleepy time. Y'all can leave, okay? Just leave. Why are you still here? Leave! Stop it! Stop watching me! Stop! No, seriously, leave!
We would just like to see if you have any feedback on the coronavirus. I understand that you're working, but I'm just trying to see if you have any feedback. Ooh, tell us more about that. Could you please speak into the microphone? What else do you have to say? Do you have any feedback on the coronavirus? What about you, sir? Please continue talking. Excuse me, what are you doing? Did you poop in the food? Sir, you seem to be quite relaxed. Do you have any feedback? I understand that you're sleeping, but do you have any feedback on the virus? I'm sorry to disturb you, but do you have any feedback? Oh, sir, you seem to have some poop in your nose.